Hello everyone. In this episode, we will discuss Power BI line chart new features. If you want to enable these features, you have to download the latest version of Power BI desktop from Microsoft site and install on your machine. Now let me switch to the computer for the demo. So first thing I will add a line chart from Power BI desktop visual gallery, and let me adjust the size of the line chart. And now from the data model, on x-axis I will add a month and year, and on y-axis I will add a total sales, and on the secondary axis I will add total order quantity. Now here you can see two lines, blue one, light blue one total sales, and dark blue one for the total order quantity. Now let me explore the options and settings. Now here in the line, if you expand in the line, the series is the total order quantity, and earlier you can see the option solid, dashed, dot, and now the last option custom. So once you will select the custom, you can see the line is slightly different, is a dash kind of thing, but you can adjust, you can design your lines, right? Here for example, here is a 5, let me make it 25, and here also I'll make it a 25, and let me make it 25 here also. Now you can see the line, the small dot, you can see this is the 0 1. So if I'll make it 5, so you can see this, the dot is little bit now dash kind of the thing. Okay. Now the other option is scale with width. So if you enable this, and if you reduce the size of the this visual line chart visual, the your line will adjust accordingly. So line will adjust accordingly, as you can see here. Okay. Now this is the one option, and now let me make this line as a solid, or leave it as it is. Now one more option here, I will enable a marker. Now for this one, for total sales, I'll disable the marker, and I'll keep the marker only for line, for order quantity. Now from here, as you know, we can take the shape of the marker, and let me increase the size of the marker. Okay, now you can see the marker size. Now if you want to disable the line, you can also disable it. Now you have to go to the line option, and here in the line option, here you can see the width 210. So you can see for the total sales line, and for the total order quantity, you can see only markers. So I disable the line. So these are the two features, exciting features. That's all for this video, and I request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.